I'm making 2 pot holders. So I need 1 piece. This is a 10-inch square. And I'm going to put a little basting spray on it. And then I'm going to put my layer of, 1 layer of batting and 1 layer of Insulbright. And then the middle, which is 8 inches. Now, getting ready to quilt the first pot holder. And I'm going to start clear at this end and go all the way down. Same on that side. And then I'm just going to do cross hatches. And I have red Orifil. So I'm just going to start clear down here at the end. I just have my regular foot on. Okay, I got the first stitch there on. Now I'm going to do this other stitch here, and then I'll do the cross hatching. Actually, I'm going to start from the other side. Clear at the end, and ooh, I like the way that red is showing up. All right, now we're gonna go, let me see, how far do I want to go here? I'm thinking 1 inch from there. So right there. I gotta back it all the way up to here. Okay, well, let me get some chalk so I can mark it. There we go. Alright, here's this one. This one, I did it. The stitches are too close together. This one I did better once I figured out that my stitches were too small and I released the pressure on the foot pressure. I lightened it. So this one's a lot better. Still needs much more to desired. I did not use my walking foot. The next pair I will. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, we're going to fold it up to the edge of that, and then fold it over again, and that's where we're going to stitch. Got to clean up the thread. Alright, these need a good press, but there's one. And there's the other one. I should have went maybe another one in there. And are they wonky? Yes. But for practice, hey, at least they came out the same size. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.